Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find preferences notification settings on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click notifications, and here as you see you'll find it preferences. Here you can manage your preferences notification settings. You can manage your push notification settings or your SMS notification settings or your email notification settings. And that's it for today. That's how to find preferences notification settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.